Hello all, my name is Rahul and welcome to this session on Java language. In this video, we will talk about an alternate option to perform the if and else functionalities in Java language. So let's get started. So guys, I have created a full-fledged document for this, and this is nothing but ternary operator, right? So you must be aware of this topic. This is a type of operator in Java language, and using this you can also perform the same action which we perform using if and else statement. So let's try to understand this concept, and we will also understand this with the help of example in Eclipse. So ternary operator is a type of operator, and it evaluates the condition and executes a block of code based on the result of condition, right? If you talk about the syntax of a ternary operator, then you can see this is the condition which we will have to define, and this is the question mark, right? And after that we have to use expression 1 and colon and then expression 2. So if your condition is true, then it will execute the expression 1, and if condition is false, if this condition is not satisfying your program, then it will execute the expression 2. So it's same as like, if and else. If your condition is true, then it will get inside the if block and it will execute that. Condition is not matching, then it will go to the else part and it will execute that. Why we call this as ternary? Because it uses the three operands. Condition is one operand, expression 1 is another operand, and expression 2 is another operand. So we have three operands. That's why we call it as ternary operand. Question comes, when to use this ternary operator. So guys, if you want to replace the certain types of if and else statement in Java language, in that case we go and we use ternary operator in Java. Same as like, this we have already discussed. If you have not watched the video on if and else statement, then you can go and you can just watch lecture 15. I have discussed everything in this video. This is we have seen, right? If this condition is true, then it will get inside system.out.println and it will give you the output as positive number. Else, if this condition is not true, so 24 is greater than 0, right? That's why it is getting inside the if block and it is giving output as positive number. If the condition is not true, then it will go to the else part and it will give you output as negative number. Now this code can be replaced with the below code, and this is the code, ternary operator code, right? So int number is 24, string result, so we are storing this value in the result, and result is of string type. So here you can see number is greater than 0, right? And positive number, and this is the negative number. So this is the result. Positive number is expression 1 result, and negative number is another expression 2 result. So this value we are storing inside the result value, and result is of string type. So it will go and check 24 is greater than 0. Yes. If this is true, then it will execute the expression 1. If, let's say if I say is number is greater than 30, so 24 is greater than 30, no. In that case, it will execute negative number as an output. So here you can see both the program. It means if else and ternary operator will give you the same output, that is positive number. But ternary operator makes the code more readable and clearer. So you can see here, if you just compare the lines of code, right? So you will be able to understand the lines of code in case of ternary operator would be less as compared to if else. Now, second point you can see, if you have a short code, then you can use ternary operator. So guys, if you have a less number of codes, right? Especially in case of if else statement, then you can use this ternary operator. Or else, please do not use, because if you have a more number of codes, right, then in that case you will get confused and you will not be able to understand. So if you have a lesser number of code and you want to replace if else statement, then you can use a ternary operator. So let's go to Eclipse and try to understand the real-time example of ternary operator. So I'll just click on workbench over here and I'll try to create a new project for this. So I'll just click on file, I'll go to new and I'll click on Java project and I'll just say ternary operator. I'll click on finish over here and I'll just expand this. We'll click on source folder and will create a class. So if you're creating a class, then it will automatically create a package, and the package name would be default package. So I'll say program1 as a class name. I'll use public static void main, and I'll just finish. Now you can see the program1 has been created successfully over here, right? Now let's try to understand first if else. So if I just say int number equals to 20, now if you will have to use, right? So I'll just use if condition over here, and condition would be number should be greater than 0. If this is true, then get inside this and give me output as valid number, or else if the condition is not true, get inside this and give me output as what? Invalid number. Now here you can see it will go and it will check for the condition. So condition says what? Number is greater than 0. What is the value of number? Number value is 20. So is 20 greater than 0? Yes, this condition is true. If this is true, then it will get inside this and it will give you output as valid number. So let me just run this code. So you can see output we are getting as valid number. But what if the condition is not true? If I just say number is less than 0, so definitely 20 is not less than 0, right? This is not true. If condition is not true, then it will execute the else part and you will get output as invalid number. Now let me try to replace this code with the ternary operator. So I'll use the same variable, that is int number equals to 20. So I'll just take a variable, say string result over here, and we'll use the condition. So to use the condition, you will have to put inside the bracket, and condition I'll say number should be greater than 0. If this is true, let's enter the question mark and expression 1. So expression 1 I'll say valid number. After that I'll just put colon, and after that here I'll just say invalid number. Now once you close it, so in order to retrieve the value, what you will have to do? System.out.println, and I'll just say result is, you just have to concatenate it and you just have to say result. Now if you just save it and try to run your code, then you will get output as result is valid number. So guys, this is how we use, and if you compare the lines of code, right, then as compared to if and else, ternary operator would be lesser in number. So it makes your code very in readable format and in clear format. Let me just show you what if the condition is false. So if the condition is false here, so number is less than 0, 20 is not less than 0. So in that case, it will execute the invalid number part. So let me try to run my code. So result we are getting as an invalid number. So this is how we use ternary operator. So if you want to replace the if and else part, then you can use this. So guys, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. So guys, if you have any doubt or if you have any query, you can do let me know in comment section, or you can also drop me an email at codespark567@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.